Hey, that Q-tip, how was the deal? Had to let you know how I feel. Had a bunch of girls, but I'ma keep it real. The mother chicken heads couldn't foot the bill, but you, it's something about you, baby. What it is, I don't know. Maybe cause your body just right with a sexy smile, and you know how to get that dough. You hustle hard for bread just like Bo. You fill me up when I'm feeling low. When I'm home on the road, no questions asked. You know it's on as soon as I hit the go. And I need that on my team. Baby, you was made for me. Had something on my mind, but forgot what it was, and that's because
Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Shut up and motor, we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats. No interview with the NME.
We're back on Coach Meyer's camp. We're in the locker room. It's one day later from the Denison trip. Sunday, we're here watching the NCAA selection show. We're in our locker room here. Check out the locker room. There's Ray Whitty with a slice of pizza. The big screen there. All the lockers. Ping pong table. Foosball. All the guys over there getting their food ready. We're watching the D1 selection show right now. A lot of guys on the team got some friends that play D1, so we're interested to see who gets in here. So we're checking that out. Our selection show is going to start up at 10 o'clock. And Roanoke lost today to Washington and Lee. May or may not help us. We'll see. I think that's the great thing about college lacrosse is you never know who's going to win, and that's Division I, Division II, and Division III. That's great. So we're going to start up at about 10 o'clock. We're going to enjoy some food right now, and we'll get back to you. Back on Coach Meyer's camp. It's about 10 p.m. right now. Selection show's just starting up. We got the team down here. There's Trip Lotta right there. You can see the team around. We're all down here checking out the show. So everyone's excited about it. So we're gonna find out. What we got going on here, and I'll get back to you guys, and I'll let you know where our fate stands. All right. All right. So the last installment of the Coach Meyer's camp for the weekend. We just found out who we're going to play. We got a first-round bye, and we were seated at the top of the bracket, which is a tremendous honor. We're all really happy with that and proud of the guys that we achieved that. That's something special for us, being it's our first time in the tournament and we're the top seed. We're going to play the winner of Cabrini Montclair State. That's pretty exciting. So the guys are excited about it. We're happy with the way the bracket happened. So down the road, hopefully, we're going to see the teams that we want to see. So we're excited about this. We're going to get a chance to get up there and see Cabrini play on Wednesday. The guys are excited about what's going on here. We had a good dinner. Pizza and wings from President Manning. I appreciate that. And that's it for now. Next time I'll be talking to you guys, we're going to be in the NCAA. That feels pretty good. We're going to put our shoes on. Dancing shoes. So we're going to the dance. Get back to you later.
How do you keep your mustache so amazingly fresh?
I don't know.
Horse shampoo? Breath? Oh man, I'm gonna have to get that. Ryan Myers, man.
Hey, that Q-tip, how was the deal? Had to let you know how I feel. Had a bunch of girls, I'ma keep it real. The mother chicken heads couldn't foot the bill, but you, it's something about you, baby. What it is, I don't know. Maybe cause your body just right with a sexy smile, and you know how to get that dough. You hustle hard for bread just like Bo. You fill me up when I'm feeling low. When I'm home on the road, no questions asked. You know it's on as soon as I hit